The most important response is that the customer is happy with their purchase. All of our efforts to create a quality product are driven by this concept.
The end result is that the machine we design goes to our customer. We always keep the best quality for the machines we deliver. I think that is how it should be.
Always keeping the future in mind, we develop new technology that does not yet exist.
Thinking of what the customer expects, we want to make the best product possible. Without lowering the quality level, we strive to do our best.
Industrial machinery is not just simply sold. For it to be used for many years, it is important to maintain the relationship with our customers. We will always support our customers and listen to their needs. This is our policy.